Hello everyone, it's been a while and welcome back to my channel for a new mock military video, today with the Sukhoi SU-34, a project I have already made in the larger 1:35 scale. You can find here in the right up corner the link if you want to watch the larger version. The project itself is not really large and 90% of it is based on my SU-30 or SU-35 at the same scale. I took the basic aircraft, the SU-30, and modified here and there to get the 34. This is the final result. As you can see, I changed the colors, made some modifications here and there, but the base aircraft is still the same. The only different part is the nose, that this one I built it here. You can see the prototype of the nose. Focus please. Okay, so this is the only part I actually built, but everything else is the same and we have the same features. So if you checked the previous videos, maybe this one is not really useful. But before starting, remember to check the caption of the video where you can find the instructions to build this one and my other designs, a link to get the full set as soon as it's available, and also a link to get cheaper third-party bricks. Plus, you can also find the playlist with the other projects, and we can check this little fella here that it's very similar to the previous versions, but we have some differences here and there. The nose, the cockpit, that it's larger because the real aircraft accommodate two pilots, sit side by side and not in tandem like many other aircraft. I suggest you to check also the larger 1:35 scale version because of the many features present there. We have the moving canards. This can be changed in angle, so you can angle them maybe like this if you like them more. On this side we have the main gun, that's why also this part is in dark bluish gray, just like the real one. Probably in real life the different color is not really a choice, but it gets dirty very easily, so it's easier to change the color and make it darker. It's just an hypothesis, I may be wrong. If we move here to the back, we have the ailerons. These can move as well, so you can rotate them as you wish, like this, 360 degrees. And here we have thrust vectoring. This can move in every direction, up, down, right, left. You can check it better in the other video I told you before, where I have the prototype of this part, so I can show you with my hands. I have some of my prototypes with me because I like them, but not all of them. I really like the aircraft, so I may get the proper colors for it and build a copy for me. I think I'll release the project in two different color variants. Also the total black one, that is quite cool. The only thing I don't like of this camo is the cockpit. At this scale we don't have many trans clear parts, so the cockpit here is in black. Here I did it in gray, dark bluish gray, but I don't know, I don't really like it too much. But if we make it black like the other one, like this, maybe looks better, but I think we lose details, I don't know. But if you have any suggestion to make better the cockpit, maybe another color, I don't know. I tried even with white like this, now I can show you. I don't know, or light bluish gray this way, but I don't know. I can't find a solution I really like for the cockpit. Now let's continue checking the aircraft with the weapons installed. Weapons that I want to remind you, you can find for free here in the right top corner again, or using the playlist in the caption. There is a playlist with my all free tutorials. These weapons and stands are released for free, so you can find free instructions. You can decide which weapon you want to build, how many of them you want the stand, you don't. You can choose whatever you want. This aircraft needs weapons. It's really cool this way. And now with the weapons we can check the bottom, where we have this detail, this little ladder that you can see here, just like the real one. To go inside the aircraft, you don't go inside from the cockpit like the other fighters, but from here. And if you don't want the landing gears but want to use the stand that you can see here, we have to remove some parts. They are not retractable, the landing gears, like the larger version. Obviously we have to start removing the main landing gear, the ladder, then this blue part. These are the hatches where the main landing gear goes inside. You have to remove them. These are only needed if you want to use the stand, because you can remove these parts present here and replace everything with these inverted tiles. It's nicer this way, while 1 and 2 are needed to cover here the back landing gear. If you remove, also here we have the hatches that you have to remove, landing gears that you have to remove, and then you have one connection here and another connection here that you can cover with this one here, and boom, you have the flying configuration that it's pretty nice. This one is really playable, so you can play with it if you want. I don't judge. Actually, I judge and I approve, but if you want to connect the stand, the only thing you have to remember is to keep the center pylon where you can connect weapons free, because here you need to connect the stand. So you have to remove this one, take our stand, connecting it here, and this is the result with the stand and the weapons connected. Again, pretty cool. I'm not really sure which version I like most, but probably the one without the stand with weapons, but without the stand, because the landing gears for this one are a bit cooler. We have this little ladder, so maybe I prefer it with the landing gears, but as usual, it's up to you. I give you many solutions, you can choose the one you like most. The video is obviously finished, but before say you goodbye, here a little check of my whole 1-70 collection, that now it's kinda large. We have many machines at the same scale, so the proportions are just like the real machines. These two look similar because this one is based on the SU-30, but that's it. Again, the video is finished. Let me know what you think about this MOC and my other MOCs. Let me also know what you want to see next. The SU-34 was one of your requests, so see, I read your comments, and little by little I'll bring you whatever you ask for. Remember to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet, and see you again next time with a new project. Bye!